Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn Investor here, and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. All right, let's see what we have for today. As usual, we do have Tesla from pre-market. Tesla currently is on a downtrend, the pre-market high being 1092 and the pre-market low being 1063. As of now, looks like Tesla may give us some put opportunities. I'll not be playing the first 5-minute candle. I'm expecting the stock to pop at market open. The stock do have resistance around 1076, 1082. Those are probable areas that I'd be looking to short. But I would wait for market open to confirm the trend and then plan my trades accordingly. We do have around 2 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. As you know, I'll not be trading the first few minutes. I'll wait to understand the direction the stock wants to go. As expected, Tesla making a pop. Obviously, it can fail at this point, can fail at this point. Those are different resistance level. So let me just mark it out. This is another level. And yeah, this is another level. So right now, we don't have a ton of volume. So I'm looking at a good strike price. So 1050 looks good. Yeah. So I'll be playing 1050. It's failing around this point. 2 minutes into market open, no trades as of now. Jumping in. Got in at 931. My next ad would be around this area. 1073, that is another level that I'm watching. Let me just mark that. Second ad, getting in. My third ad would be around 1077, holding, not panicking. I would love to get more than 2 ads. I'm waiting for this to fail big. That's why I'm not exiting. So if 950 breaks, it should go below 10. Yep. Selling 5 at 1010. I think I missed it. Just canceling for now. Selling 1030. Out of 5 contracts. Just selling another 5. Now holding only 5. Maybe I'll sell another 3. $10.75, I'm taking one off. And the final one. Taking it off. First trade, pretty decent, making $2,200. No reasons to complain. Now Tesla looks even good. I'll wait for a second trade on Tesla. As you could see, I do have multiple levels. 10 minutes into market open, making $2,200. I'm very grateful for that. I think my first ad on this would be 1060. Just placing an order out there. Did not get filled. Bad luck there. So canceling it for now. Now Tesla is actually trying to make new lows. If it's making new lows, then I like it even better. So right now it's a double bottom. It's more likely to break, yes. We have a new low. So my strategy when I'm taking a put position is to anticipate when the stock is about to hit resistance. And at that point, I would be a buyer of a put contract. So I'm actually buying it over here. 10-10, getting in, 5 contracts, anticipating this to be a resistance. So my next ad would be around $9.05. I'm in 15 contracts now. The first 5-minute candle to make a new high. That's the setup. And I'm anticipating that to fail. So my next ad would be around this area. And I'm anticipating that to be around 860. $20 contracts. I'll make it 840. Buy. So right now it's beating around 950 option premium. So if it breaks, then it's going to go high. Getting in. 20 contracts at 855. My next ad would be for 40 contracts. Yep, it hit resistance and it failed. Yep. Selling at 945. 5 contracts. It's coming down again. We do have around 30 seconds for this 5-minute candle to close. Giving it some more time. Yep, it's working out. 985, I'm selling half. Taking it 970. Yep, 5 out, 10 out, 995. Another 5 out. And 65, another 5 out. And 80. Unloading. Just holding 5 contracts. If it comes above 9, I'm selling. Selling. I'm out. That was another stress-free trade. Pretty happy with how I managed the trade. And now I think maybe it can give me another entries, but I'll wait. Buying. 835. Getting in. Anticipating this to break to give me my second ad. $748. I made my second ad. 10 contracts. Now my average is 777. Holding 15 contracts. Anticipating resistance around this area, that's why I added. And now I'll be watching 1072 for my third ad. Adding. Slowing down. That's why I added there. Was in the money for a while. Giving it some more time. $660 I'm adding. I did not get filled. Bummer there. Now I'll not be looking at 660. I should have been quick there. 30 seconds for this 5-minute candle to close. Jumping in, 40 contracts, 630. Yep, I'm in. 75 contracts at 685. And my final ad for 80 contracts around this area. That would be my final act. Yep. We do have around 4 minutes for this candle to close. Failing. If it goes above this, I'm exiting. I'll cut the loser. Selling some. I'm glad that I actually unloaded some position because SPY is green. Everything is turning green. That's why I sold it. It's actually bouncing back. Got one opportunity to exit. Come on, break down 6 and continue lower. Wanted to flush. Just on point here. Giving it some more time. I think this is going to be a loser for sure. Gave it some time. We do have around 2 minutes for this candle to close. It's going against me clearly. Cutting the loser there. That was a big loser. I was up $4,900 and now I'm down $5,200. So it's not all about green days. Red days do happen, and right now we have got something live. It's difficult to manage red days, but as a day trader, there would be days where you would actually struggle to find an edge. I was being aggressive there, and today I paid the price for it. And now, since I'm red on the day, I don't want to go deeper in the red, so I think I'll call it today. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.